With today's open floor plans and modern conveniences, the fireplace has evolved. Often, the fireplace mantle and entertainment center can be seen from the kitchen, and the kitchen can be seen from the living space. It only makes good sense for these spaces to match or complement each other. With Dura Supreme, your kitchen cabinets, entertainment center, and fireplace mantle can all be designed to coordinate or complement each other seamlessly to elevate your home design. Our Fireplace Mantle program offers easy-to-design options with your choice of columns, friezes, corbels, and overall styling. If you can't accomplish the look you're after with these options, we can also craft a custom design just for you. Your designer will guide you through the selections to create a stunning look for your Dura Supreme fireplace mantle. Stop by your local Dura Supreme showroom to learn more.